Hi there, everyone. This is John Ossipinsky, aka LymphMan. If we're trying to help heart disease, again, we have to understand it's about circulation. And we have one system in our body that must complete circulation through our organs, like our heart. That's the lymphatic system. And our lymphatic system is a tiny network of vessels and nodes that must remove cellular waste, fats, and fluid from your blood vessels, your organs. And when it can't do this, then our organ starts to suffer. And that's what's happening with heart disease. It's really about limited circulation through your heart due to the lymphatic system, a whole secondary system that's inside your heart that must clean waste, fats, and fluid out of it. And we never think of the lymphatic system. So our major lymph vessels are right here under our clavicles. And if these vessels, one tiny vessel on either side of your neck, if these vessels become congested, and they do often due to posture, due to the diet we eat, due to stress, dehydration, then the heart or the rest of the body really can't flow up into these areas. And that's the major cause of heart disease, is when your lymphatic system, a system that's actually in your heart, can't clean. So if we want to help our heart, we have to open up our shoulders. And I'm going to show you how to do that with the LymphMan Shoulder Shuffle. Really, this is a very simple way to open up your lymphatics, right? We have to have our lymphatic system open for the body to have complete circulation, even our head, for our head to have complete circulation. So if we want to help the heart, we need to open up this area. And we do it very easily with just moving our shoulders up and down. So I'm going to show you how to do the LymphMan Shoulder Shuffle. Just doing that 3 times made my head get tingly and my legs get tingly. So the lymphatic system is a very powerful system. We just need to know how to use it. And it's much more than heart disease. I published work years ago, 17 years ago, on how most disease is due to the buildup of cellular waste because your lymphatic system isn't working. This is a system that we really have to gain control over with our diet, supplements, and really we can use our own 2 hands and understanding how to open up this area. All right, I can talk a lot about this, but let's go ahead and show you how to open it up. We're just going to sit straight. Posture is so important for the lymph system. A lot of people I talk to about their health, they come in and they're slouched and they're not feeling well. And I ask them to sit up straight. And they sit up straight. And I ask them, does that feel better? And they go, yes. So when we're slouching a lot, we're limiting flow out of our body, out of our organs. So posture is key number 1. So let's sit up straight. Doesn't that feel better, right? Let me know if that feels better. You can feel circulation through your body when you actually sit with good posture. Then we're going to put our hands on our lap and we're going to move our shoulders to open up the major lymph vessels on either side of your thyroid. Just going to put one shoulder up, then put it down, put the other shoulder up. And if you have a bad neck and shoulders and surgeries and pain, just do it very easy like this about 10 times and then stop. Wait a day or 2 and then do it again. See how you feel. We always want to see how we feel after working with the lymphatic system, because if you feel really a detox reaction, then slow up, hydrate yourself, and then do it again in a few days. Now, if you have no pain in your shoulders or limited pain and no surgeries, let's go ahead and do it a little faster, right? Don't be afraid. Really hard. All right. All right, about 10, 15 times. I'm getting tingling in my arms, my legs, back of my head. I can feel my chest, the flow in it moving up. It's so important to understand that these little vessels right here really are everything. When these clog up, your blood vessels, your organs, your brain, your tissues, your muscles, everything. And right here, we're talking about our heart. So if you want your heart to keep on functioning well, then you need to understand how to open it up. And watch your clavicles in this area. It's supposed to be indented, right? If it's a little puffy in this area, that means you have lymphatic system stagnation. Or if you have a lot of skin tags in your neck, then you have lymphatic system stagnation and need to take care of it. But this is really important to help most health problems, not just heart disease, but if we want to help the heart, we've got to increase circulation. I hope this makes sense. Have a great day.